Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to add appointment booking calendar on Wix. The first thing you want to do once on your Wix dashboard, I want you to select the website that you want to add the appointment booking to. So you can simply tap on the website. After you have done that, I want you to go onto the editor page as you can see right here. Once on the editor page, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select the third icon from the top left-hand corner, which is Pages and Menu. After selecting Pages and Menu, you're going to tap on Add Page. Once you have tapped on Add Page, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option once more and you're going to tap on Bookings. Then from there, you're going to tap on Add Wix Bookings. After tapping on Add Wix Bookings, you can see that it is being added. Once it has been added, I'll be showing you how to edit it and set it up. So you can see right there, 4 of 5. Once it has been added, I'll be showing you what to do next. And you can now see we have booking calendar, service page, booking calendar right there, and booking form. So now all you need to do, you're selecting booking calendar. Then from here, we can scroll down and you can see the preview that they have added. All we'll need to do now, you're going to tap on Manage Services. After selecting Manage Services, you'll be redirected to a new dashboard. On this dashboard, you'll now be able to add the services that you would like to offer. So from here, if you would like to offer consultation or so on, you could select consultation. If it is a case that you would like to add your own custom services, you could tap on Start from Scratch. After selecting Start from Scratch, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you'll be able to add your service name. So you can tap right where you see Service 1, and from there you could type in the type of service that you would like to offer. You can also add a quick description right here. So let's say, for example, I would like to offer consultation. I'll type in consultation right here, just for example's sake. So let's do that. After you have added that, you will tap on Add Image. So this is basically the cover image we'll be adding. And from here, you could tap on Upload Media, or you can use the Wix copyright-free images. So from here, I could type in consultant, then tap on Enter. And then from here, you'll see some copyright-free images that I can use, as you can see right here. Let's say I were to select this one, then tap on Add to Page. Once it has been added to my page, you can see right there, I can scroll down, you can select the duration of the service. Then you can also add a buffer time if you want. After doing that, you'll scroll down. You can select whether it is per session billing or with a plan, or per session or with a plan. You can also select whether it is a fixed price, a free service, or varied price. Then from here, you'll be able to enter your price. You can also scroll down, select the location, or if it is a case that you'll be offering this booking via video conferencing, you can do that. After you're finished, you're going to tap on Save in the top right-hand corner. Once your changes have been saved, what I want you to do next is go over to the left-hand menu option. And by the way, you can continue adding more services by tapping on Add New Service. Once you're finished, you can go over to the left-hand menu option, scroll down, and by selecting Booking Calendar, you'll be able to view your future bookings. And from here, you can also scroll down, and right where you see Billing and Payments, you could hover over that, select Payments. Then from here, you'll be able to set up different payment options that you can offer your customers. So you can tap on Manage Payment Methods. After selecting Manage Payment Methods, depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different payment options. So this varies. You can connect PayPal and you can connect the other payment options. To view even more payment options, you could tap on See More Payment Options. Then from there, you'll be able to view even more payment options. Once you're finished, you'll tap on the X in the top right hand corner to close that page. And then from there, you can continue editing your website. For example, you can see how it looks right there, the service that I have created. And to get a better example, I'll tap on preview in the top right hand corner. After tapping on preview, you can see the service right here. So all they'll need to do once they come onto my website, from here they'll tap on book now. After they have tapped on book now, they'll be redirected to the booking calendar, and then they can continue with their booking. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe